Like King of the Hill. Everybody gangs up. This is like a pack fight, a mock pack fight. Look at that. They're acting out what they would normally do had the tensions got higher. And then at the end, they break it up. Right. He said, hey, you guys are doing it too hard. Look at that. That's how it's done. And they practice on each other like this. But it teaches them to judge their level of aggression. Now, of course, if I don't like it, I step in and control it if it gets out of hand. Or if someone misinterprets what's really going on. Like the new guy.